Welcome to Daily Insights. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. In this whirlwind of existence, each day rushes past us like a torrent. I invite you to pause and reflect on a profound, yet often overlooked concept, the transformative power of stillness and quietness in uncovering our true purpose. Imagine for a moment a still lake in the heart of a bustling forest. Its surface undisturbed mirrors the sky above, clear and unblemished. This is the picture of our minds when we embrace stillness. Without constant movement and noise, our thoughts and feelings like lake waters settle into clarity. It is in this clarity that the whispers of our most profound purpose become audible. The truth is, the answers we seek about our life's directions are not shouted over the noise of our daily routines. They are murmured in the silent spaces between our thoughts. In these peaceful moments, the soul speaks, revealing insights and truths about our deepest desires and calling. This journey towards stillness is not merely a retreat from the noise of the external world, but a courageous journey inward. It is a venture into the unexplored territories of our inner selves, where the seeds of purpose lie waiting to be discovered and nurtured. But how does one embark on this journey? It begins with a simple yet powerful act, the decision to be still, to be quiet. Carve out moments in your life for quiet reflection. In these sanctuaries of silence, let your mind wander beyond the boundaries of everyday thoughts. In the embrace of stillness, it is here that your purpose will begin to unfold like the dawn, gently revealing the landscape of a new day. Remember that the quest to discover our purpose is quiet and relaxed. It is a path paved with patience, introspection, and the courage to face the silent depths within ourselves. In embracing stillness, we connect with the core of our being, where our true intentions and aspirations reside. I urge you to embrace these moments of quiet. Let them be your guide and teacher, for it is in the profound silence of our being that we hear the most significant truths of our existence. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.